Hi everyone, we are Tom and Om, the founders of Gaia Ashram Eco-Learning Center. Since 2013, Gaia Ashram has hosted over 1,000 volunteers, interns, and course participants from all around the world.
People came to Gaia Ashram to learn about Ecovillage Design, Permaculture Design, deep ecology, and natural building and other sustainable living programs. We not only offer various styles of eco-educational programs, together with volunteers and interns from all around the world, we have been regenerating this beautiful land from a barren rice field into a permaculture farm and a wildlife sanctuary.
And during this time of the COVID-19 pandemic, we at Gaia Ashram, like other projects, we are facing a financial crisis. That's because our main income was from running courses for international participants, and now this has been fully paused since last year.
Hmm. So on top of this loss of financial income, we also experience a big problem with our Sala. The Sala is our main building of the learning center. The Sala is an essential building. We use it as a classroom, as a workshop space, and it just as a community space. And also we have our dormitory there.
And the wooden part of the building has been invaded by termites. Now the structure of our building has been weakened. For safety reasons, we have to remove all the wood and rebuild part of the sala again with more termite-resistant materials.
Hmm. At the moment, we're lacking the funds because we also not generating any income. So the Sala is very crucial for our survival as a project, and because it's our main building where people can stay and where we can generate income from. So we're asking to please support us to rebuild our Sala so that we can continue to serve as a learning center for sustainability.
We are working on redesigning our economic aspect where we can have more various and more resilient incomes aspect. But meanwhile, while we're still working on this, we are asking for your support to rebuild this sala. You can support us by donating through our crowdfunding campaigns. Every little bit would help, and we wish everyone all the best and all the strength to face the difficulty brought on by this pandemic. Thank you
Hmm.
very much.
Thank you very much.